Hey, this is Mike with Recycle Garage. We're in sunny Santa Cruz today, and I want to welcome you to my garage. And these are the bikes. This is the most critical part of the garage. This is where the magic happens, besides the bedroom. Not a lot of magic going on there. Mostly here. Alright, so because we're in a garage, mostly meant for storage, I had to try to figure out a way to be creative and make the most use of my space. I didn't really figure that out, my wife did. I was sitting here with these bikes out a few more feet, staring at it, and my wife came out and said, why don't you just cut those bottom shelves out? And I said, that's a great idea. And that's what I did, and then we were able to get another 3 feet back in the garage and have this whole space open. So also part of the garage is that it's a social space. It's more than just a place to store stuff and keep your bikes. So obviously every couch or every garage needs to have a couch. And you know, if you got a couch, you might as well have a table. Okay, so another cool part of this garage that we have here is a tiny little music area, and that also helps that we have the couch over here, because this thing collapses and I can get it out of the way I want easily. But you know, again, keeping with the open space area, I kind of tucked everything around the borders, and this is just a part of it. So here's the cool little music area. And of course, what garage would not be complete without its own refrigerated cooler? So here is the main section of our garage, the tools and stuff like that. Obviously we have our wall. I tried to copy the Recycle Garage because that's really the most strongest reference I have for how to have a garage put together. I find that organization is very, very important for me. All my fluids I had in a little box before, and I built a box on the table just like Liza has in her garage with a little bit of an incline on it, so everything kind of cascades down a little bit. Thanks for coming to my garage.